Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Claude sign up not working issue. So if you're trying to create a Claude account but the sign up process keeps failing, just follow these quick fixes. First, you need to check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. If the connection seems unstable, switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data and then try signing up again. Next, you need to make sure you entered your email address and other details correctly. After that, completely close the Claude app and reopen it. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and remove the app from the recent apps. And then try opening the app again and creating your account. The next step is to try and reinstall the Claude app. For that, you need to press and hold the Claude app icon. Tap on the remove app button and then click delete. And then you can reinstall it from the App Store. If this still does not help, you should try restarting your iPhone. For that, you need to press and hold the power button and the volume button together until the power sliders appear. Wait a few seconds and then turn it back again. If the issue still continues, try signing up using a different browser or a device. Lastly, the issue could be from Claude's server. If their servers are down or under maintenance, the sign up feature may not work properly for some time. So those were some easy ways to fix the Claude sign up not working issue. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.